everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful Louis Vuitton envelope business card holder. I think that's what it's called. Envelope business card holder. So today we are mainly going to talk about wear and tear and the repair process because I requested a repair. But before we do that, let me give you a quick tour of this card holder. So it's continuous one piece of canvas. So the LV is upside down on the back. It has a snap closer with a pocket on the flap and one gusseted pocket and another pocket here, and then one main compartment. This piece is made in Spain. It's got beautiful leather lining. This pocket here, this side is leather lining and this side is fabric lining. And of course this pocket, this side is fabric lining because this is canvas. It's a very functional card holder, and I've been using this as a main wallet for a while now. I don't carry a lot, so I use this as my main wallet, and it holds a lot of cards. So let me just quickly show you that I have about 11 cards in here, and it goes in here no problem. You can even put in more cards in here. Of course you can put cards in these pockets as well. You can even double them up in these pockets as well, but I don't really recommend it because you don't really want to stress this out too much. Also, another thing to keep in mind, it's kind of one of the cons. When you put in a lot of cards in here, because this opening of this main compartment is not very wide, it kind of gets tricky to take the cards out. So when you have all these cards in here, let's say you want a specific card that's like somewhere in the middle, you kind of have to take the whole thing out and then go through them to figure out where the card you want is. So that's kind of a con of this card holder. Anyway, okay, let's move on. So this is a beautiful card holder and I really enjoy using it, but then I noticed a glazing problem. So as you can see, this card holder has glazing on the side all the way around here as well. And then I noticed glazing cracking. Let me see if I can show it to you right there. Okay, let's focusing right here. The glazing is cracking right there. So I mean, that kind of sucks, right? So I contacted Louis Vuitton's customer service and requested a repair, and the whole process was kind of pain in the neck. So I kind of want to talk to you guys about that. So I bought this wallet sometime in mid-February, and then I noticed this glazing problem in mid-August. So I had been using this as my main wallet for about 6 months now. So obviously this is a defect because the glazing shouldn't be cracking only after 6 months of use. So when I contacted Louis Vuitton, they told me that I could send it in, but then the whole process took some time. So let me just take a look at my notes. I have a note of the whole timeline. So when I noticed the glazing issue in mid-August, I called Louis Vuitton customer service line and told them about the issue. And because we can't just walk into the store and request a service in person because of pandemic, they told me that all the repair requests are done through email. So they told me to send an email. So August 26th, I wrote an email to customer service repair, the email address that they gave me. So I explained the situation and sent the email on August 26th. And nobody got back to me, so I was kind of wondering what's happening. So September 6th, I sent them another email asking somebody to get back to me. And also at the same time, I called the customer service line again and explained the situation, that I sent an email, but nobody's getting back to me. But then they told me that the average time it takes for them to reply is about 2 weeks. So they told me to just keep waiting. So I just waited, and then September 11th, somebody finally got back to me and then asked me for the information regarding my name, my address, the product detail, and all that stuff. So I sent those informations right away on the same day, and then I had to wait some more. September 28th, they finally sent me another email, this time with attachments, including the mailing postage and a couple of documents that they asked me to fill out and include with the packets when I sent this to them for repair. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to pack this up and then send it over to Louis Vuitton Repair Center. And we'll see how that goes. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Okay, so today is November 2nd, and I finally received the repair product. So I mailed this in on September 28th, Monday, and then I received the repair product today on November 2nd, and that's about 5 weeks. So that's really not bad at all. So it was kind of pain in the neck to initiate the repair process, but then once you get it initiated, taking 5 weeks to repair, mailing it, including mailing period, that's really not that bad at all. So I didn't know what this package was, so I opened it already, but let's take a look at how the package arrived. So it came in this typical Louis Vuitton cardboard box, and it came like so with bunches of paper, and they gave me a new dust bag, which is kind of nice. So let's put this away. And here is a repaired card holder. So let's take a look more closely. So the problem was like right here, the glazing was cracked. So let's take a look at it more closely. It's very nicely repaired. Let's open this, and it looks really nice. Yeah, I think before they repaired it, there was like slight split right here as well, and I think they repaired that as well. So it's very nice. They probably had to remove the glazing on this completely on this side and redo the glazing again. So yeah, it's very nicely repaired. I like it very much. So this is the part that's not repaired, and this is the repaired part. So yeah, not bad at all. It looks really nice. Okay, I hope this information was helpful for some of you. Yeah, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.